Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your WhatsApp data. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Now click on the three vertical dots in top right corner. Tap on the settings option. Then go to chats and click on the chat backup option. Here when you click on the backup to Google Drive option, you can choose the time interval when you want to back up your data. Here as I've selected weekly, my data will back up on weekly basis. Similarly, you can choose the Google account you want to back up on. You can also use to back up using cellular and choose to include videos. And if you want to back up instantly, click on the backup button in the top section of your screen. And that is how you can back up your WhatsApp data. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.